once again.
Good morning students, this is Naresh Srivastav, your biology teacher. Today we will discuss about pollen pistil interaction and double fertilization. After pollination, the pollen pistil interaction occurs. It includes following steps: the pollen recognition by pistil, pollen hydration, pollen tube entry into stigma, pollen tube growth through style, pollen tube entry in the ovule. First step is pollen recognition by pistil. The pistil has the ability to recognize the pollen whether it is of the right type or of the wrong type. Now, what is right type and wrong type? Right type means compatible pollen of the same species, and wrong type means either from the other species or from the same plant of self incompatible species. If the pollen grain is of the right type, the pistil accept the pollen and promote post-pollination events that leads to fertilization. If the pollen is of the wrong type, the pistil reject the pollen. The pollen-pistil interaction is the result of continuous dialogue between pollen grain and pistil. This dialogue is mediated by the chemical component of the pollen interacting with those of the pistil. The second step is pollen hydration. After recognition of right type of pollen, the pollen absorb the sugar solution present on the stigma and get hydrated. The pollen grain germinate on the stigma to produce a pollen tube through one of the germ pore. The content of the pollen grain move into the pollen tube. The pollen tube grows through the tissues of the stigma and style, then reaches the ovary. In the ovary, the pollen tube enters in the ovule through micropyle. The pollen tube entry in the ovule is favored by the synergid cell through the filiform apparatus. If the pollen grain are said at two-celled condition, a vegetative cell and a generative cell. In such plant, the generative cell divide and forms the two male gamete during the growth of pollen tube in the stigma, and in the plant which shed pollen in the three-celled stage. The pollen tube carry the two male gamete from the beginning. ये चीज़ हम लोग पहले भी पढ़ चुके थे. The double fertilization. In flowering plant, double fertilization occurs. As we know that the pollen tube carries two male gamete. One of the male gamete carried through the pollen tube fuses with the egg cell, that is the female gamete, to form a diploid zygote, and another male gamete fuses with the central cell or polar nuclei to form a triploid primary endosperm nucleus, which develops endosperm.